I'm dipping in my Chevy. I'm bouncing in my Chevy. I'm riding in my Chevy.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSJ Ride 254. Ain't tuning in for another one. Man, like, I love this great audio. I hope y'all loving this great audio too, cause it costs a pretty penny, but it's all worth it for y'all, man. Just up in the garage. It's AM. Know what I'm saying? Just kind of looking over things, trying to see what I need, what I don't need. Sockets, I'm pretty much good on. It's the wrenches and the screwdrivers that like come up missing and things like that. And I guess that's just kind of part of the game. I'm still working on kind of getting everything together. Let me flip it around and show y'all. It's all coming together for the most part, you know. Left a couple bikes in here that's gonna go in the trash. You don't even ride this no more. Yeah. So as this kind of get cleared out, then you know we can have a direct line to our toolbox. Plans for air consumption, stuff like that. As a lot of y'all know, you know, I started, kind of working on cars. And if you didn't know, I started working on cars myself to combat the weight of waiting on a shop. Because, all the good shops, you gotta wait. Bad shops, you gotta end up waiting on a good shop anyway. So, that was my biggest thing. So, I just try to start kind of tinkering and finding stuff out myself. Not only did it save me time, but it was able to save me money. So definitely what I want to be able to do in the future is continue to work on my cars. But as you know, the Chevelle is gonna need some body work. Capri's gonna need some body work. C10 potentially is gonna need some body work. Honestly, with the C10, I might just kind of rock it like it is, and do it that way. So as you can see, turn a little light on over here. Plans for welding. As you can see, I have the MiG 135 from Eastwood. At the time when I purchased it, it was I bought it brand new. At the time when I purchased it, the Harbor Freight one actually was more. They had like a discount on the first time buyers thing going on Eastwood. So I grabbed it up. I got the cart and stuff from Harbor Freight. I got the let's see what you have here. The flux cord. Oh no, this is actually MIG wire. So we are gonna need to pick up some flux cord wire. I thought that wire was flux cord. A lot of guys I've talked to, one in particular is Zoe Chevelle rider. He uses flux cord, and all the work that he's done on his cars. I mean, he welding, he cutting out quarter panels, body panels, fenders, all that stuff, man, and replacing it with something, actually with a Harbor Freight welder. So that just instilled a lot of confidence. I mean, you still gotta know what you're doing, and I'm gonna be reaching out to him and a whole lot of other people and just kind of getting their input about how I need to go about it. But that's the future. So along with the body work, I got the welder, boom boom. You definitely gonna want to do some tools, or continue to work on tools. As far as I have with air compression right now, I have a 10-gallon Harbor Freight that I believe y'all saw in the live stream or one of the videos. So I'll be using this And I will be using the Craftsman 2 horsepower single cylinder oil free oil delivery thingamajigger bobber. I'm not really sure what I need for paint. I'm probably gonna end up going, or what I want to do is run a 220 off of here. As you can see, there are only two open joints for one. So I think that it was destined in the heavens for me to have a 220 plug right there. So 220 plug or 220 breaker. I'm probably gonna have them run it. I don't exactly know where I would want to put it though. I actually thought about maybe back over there, but probably not. I think I want to just keep it kind of over here. Like, actually, if we put that compressor like boom right there, because the guy said the shorter he has to run it or whatnot, then it may be like a little bit simpler. And I actually called the guys, not actually these guys, but I'm gonna call these guys today, Royce Electric, and find out what it would be for a 220 plug. I called one guy, one shop, and they were saying it would be about 200. So let me call them. You know, as soon as I got you guys with me and we got this phenomenal audio going on, how about we call them and see what they're talking about as far as a 220 plug. 9 times out of 10, they're probably gonna be like, we need to come out and see it to get your quote. I really just kind of need a ballpark. Oh snap! Look at that. I just got an email. I'm gonna share this with y'all. I like to share things with y'all. You know what I'm saying? I just got this email, and it reads, "Dear Joseph, I hope this finds you well. Your Bachelor of Arts Digital Photography program has been conferred effective April 1st, 2018. Congratulations on your achievement. The purpose of this email is to inform you that your diploma has been mailed to you today, April 12th, to the following address," and that's me. "Please keep in mind the delivery times vary, blah, blah, blah." That's what's up, y'all. That's what's up. Southern New Hampshire University. That's my school. My alma mater now. I'm alumni. Okay, back to what I was doing. Alright, so let's call these guys and see. Well, it says for service. But I want to call this company because I believe that they may be more familiar with, I guess, the wiring of the house. I'm not exactly sure what the amperage of it needs to be, but we're gonna try to give them as much info as possible.
Royce Electric?
Yes. Hi. I was calling trying to find out like a roundabout price about having a 220 plug installed.
I'd have to ask Royce. He's not here today. What is it for? And I can take your phone number and.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's for. I want to put a air compressor in my garage.
Okay. Is this in the Clean Hunker Heights area?
Actually in Copper's Cove.
Copper's Cove. Okay.
Yeah, there's like a new housing addition out there, Hartwood Park, and I saw that you guys' name was on my electric panel box for a call for service. So I thought I'd just kind of start calling you guys to kind of maybe see if I could go through you guys. You probably had a better understanding of, you know, how the house is wired and all that stuff. So
sure. What's your phone number?
it's 254-301-5528.
254-301-5528.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll ask Royce. Again, I'm not going to probably see him until tomorrow morning, but I will call you back.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. There's no rush. Like I said, I'm just trying to, I guess, get a feel. Yeah, and see who I need to get to do it. Like I said, you guys are the first one that I called.
Well, is this a new construction?
Well, it was. It's built now. We've been in the house like 2 years now.
Okay. Yeah. Let's. I'll see if I can get you a ballpark price and then call you back.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Right,
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right, so we're gonna get a ballpark and go from there. So maybe if I remember, I'll record it when she called back and let me know what the price is. You know, I gotta keep the camera close or whatever, but that's the beauty of the portable setup. So if I don't record the call, man, I'll definitely let y'all know what we looking at. But we definitely want to get that in here. I know Home Depot, Lowe's has air compressors, 60-gallon joints, and they are, you know, good to go. But I know for paint, I was talking to a couple guys. The low volume, low pressure guns, they have like an orange peel issue. And I'm really not trying to. I mean, I'm already brand new to this, so I don't want to have no additional problems, you know, kind of dealing with that. So, I mean, I was gonna rattle can it, to be honest with you. Like, I was just going, because if I'm looking at this correctly, you know what I'm saying, this is the primer, right? This was the paint, you know what I'm saying? This is where they were sanding it down, and this is the bottom. This is the primer. So you sand it down to the primer, get everything nice and smooth and even and shit, and then you go back and you hit that bitch. So I'm finna wing it, man. I'm finna wing it. I seen a dude on YouTube paint a whole goddamn truck with rattle cans, but that's why I'm doing the air compressor, because I don't only want to do the spray paint or the painting. I want to be able to do the body work and then, you know, still the other mechanics. So, I mean, it's just a good investment, man. I mean, it'll pay for itself over time, especially if I'm doing body work on, you know, 3 cars. I'm going to paint 3 cars, you know, working on 3 cars. So that, like I said, it'll pay for itself. Yeah, man. Yeah, that's all I got. So make sure y'all stay tuned. I bring y'all an update. We'll find out about a 220 plug. I also want to get a bigger toolbox. I kind of got shit everywhere. I got like little pistol ball guns, you know, shit over here. I mean, not a necessity. I got this toolbox. Like, I kind of want to put that into the other box, because I never take this shit to the junkyard any fucking way. So if I could just take them shells that come out that box and boop 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 and go like that, then that'd be great. So yeah, I mean, that would probably constitute a bigger toolbox. I got this on Craigslist a couple years ago. I mean, it's been good. It served its purpose, but, you know, maybe go all the way up. So make sure you let me know what you guys think. What do you think about going big with the compressor? What do you think about going big with the toolbox and consolidating? Should I get rid of this? Those are the questions that I got for y'all, man. It's your boy, LSJ Rod 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses and make them your strengths. Gone.